Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, green color, light green color, orange color, blue color, yellow color, black color, pink color, brown color, light pink color, and purple color. So kids, now we draw alphabets. And first we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D. And hue is yellow color. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M. And U is sky blue color. M for moon. And N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. Kids, now you draw X. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3. Kids, now you draw 4. 4, 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.